food loss and waste obviously has a huge implications on the status of our planet, and it has, we need to care about food loss and waste for a number of reasons. First, it saves money. The less food we waste, the more people we can feed. So there's a really significant social implications. And then reducing the amount of food loss and waste alleviates pressure on water, land, and climate. And actually, it's been estimated that 8% of the world's total greenhouse gas emissions are attributed to food waste. So there's obviously huge environmental costs of wasting food as well. So reducing food loss and waste is an important strategy to help meet a number of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. It's an important strategy that contributes to the Paris Agreement on climate change, and is going to help us sustainably feed the planet by 2050. So for all of these reasons, reducing food waste has been touted as a triple win for people, the economy, and the climate. I'm just going to pick up on the cost aspect and the cost saving aspect. I think really importantly, most stakeholders, government, industry, consumers, the public, really seem to agree that food waste is a problem, which means that it's a really winnable issue. It's a really easy issue to get people on board with. In terms of businesses, or in terms of the economic losses rather, globally, food loss and waste has been touted to amount to economic losses of $940 billion per year. And so, like I said, businesses are increasingly interested in coming on board to help solve this, this challenge. And that is because there is a solid business case for reducing food loss and waste. These on the slide here, these are results from a cross-sector survey, a global survey. It was run 17 countries of 700 companies across a range of food manufacturing, retail, hospitality, and food service organizations. And what it did was it looked at the benefit cost ratio for investing in food waste reduction. And you can see here the median benefit cost ratio for investment in food waste reduction was $14 to 1. So which is huge. In other words, half of the businesses, or half of the business sites that invested in food waste reduction earned greater than a 14-fold financial return on that investment. So this is a really positive message for industry in terms of the economic incentive to be involved or to get involved in reducing food